Hairline na parang spaghetting pataas ng pataas. May solusyon ba dyan? Ang baldness o pagkakalbo ay kadalasang namamana o kaya naman ay hormonal. Pero may mga paraan para mapabagal ang pagkakalbo at maprotektahan ang mga hair follicles. Here are 7 practical ways para maiwasan o mabawasan ang pagnipis ng buhok. First, treat hair loss early. Don't wait for visible bald spots. The most common cause of baldness is androgenetic alopecia or yung namamana. The earlier you intervene, the more hair you can save. Hair follicles shrink gradually, but once they are dead, regrowth is difficult. Kaya, early treatment is the key. May mga evidence-based treatments for this like finasteride and minoxidil na mabibili over the counter. Second, iwasan ang hair damage that can lead to permanent hair loss. Ang mahigpit na ponytails at pagtirintas ng buhok, ang madalas na hair rebonding, bleaching, excessive heat styling at madalas na pagkakamot ng anit. Lahat ng ito ay makakadamage sa hair follicles. And healthy follicles is equal to longer hair lifespan. Third, take care of your scalp. Kapag may mga flakes at itchiness, this might be signs of seborrheic dermatitis, severe dandruff, psoriasis. Consult your friendly dermatologist immediately para di na lumala pa. You may also use medicated shampoos like ketoconazole, zinc-based shampoos dahil ang labis na pamamaga o inflammation ay nagpapahina sa follicles over time. Fourth, manage stress properly. Severe stress can trigger telogen effluvium. Ano ito? Ito yung labis na paglulugas ng buhok 2 to 3 months after stress. Good sleep, balanced nutrition, and stress regulation can protect your hair cycle. Fifth, correct nutritional deficiencies like iron, protein, vitamin D, zinc, vitamin B12 na kailangan para maging malusog ang ating buhok. Pati ang crash dieting at extreme calorie restriction ay pwedeng mag-cause ng paglulugas ng buhok. 6. Avoid or stop smoking. Smoking reduces scalp blood flow at increases oxidative stress na nagiging sanhi ng pagkasira ng follicles. 7. Early and regular dermatology consultation, especially if you notice widening part line, receding hairline, excessive shedding at the shower, at kung may family history ng baldness. Early diagnosis would mean more treatment options like PRP, microneedling. Our hair is our crowning glory, kaya dapat ingatan natin ito. Huwag mo nang hintaying maging parang bagong floor wax or bolang kristal ang ulo mo bago magpa-check up. Early treatment, better results.
Care for your hair 'cause I care.